Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on this entire makeup look right here. It is a semi-cut crease. It's like a purple semi-cut crease with nude lips. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I have used a bunch of my new products that I got from my Sephora haul. If you want to see my entire Sephora haul, then I will link it down in the description box below. I did get a lot of makeup and skincare. So definitely do watch that if you want to see everything that I got. So let's get right into it. Before we do though, as always, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like this, and definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Also, do follow me on Instagram if you don't already. This is my handle right here. I do a lot of mini tutorials, tips and tricks and things like that on there. So if you are into that kind of stuff, definitely do follow me on Instagram. And another side note before we start, I have paired this look with nude lips and matte nude lips, and the more and more that I look at them, I feel like glossy lips will look really nice with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly apply a gloss in front of you guys just so you know what it will look like with glossy lips. So this is just a nude gloss from Sephora, and it has no shimmer glitter particles. It's just a nude plain gloss. There we go. So that's what this looks like with glossy lips as compared to, well, nude glossy lips as compared to matte lips. So definitely do let me know, what do you guys think? Do you think it looks better with matte or glossy lips? Let me know in the comments. I'm really digging this like glossy look. I don't know, I've started really liking gloss nowadays. Anyways, sorry, let's start. Taking that shade from the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, I'm just going to start to apply that into and above my crease. Like you can see on my other eye, you don't need to be very careful about not getting it on your eyelid because we're going to clean that space up. So starting to take that over and above the crease. Now you want to take your time to blend. This time I blended so much and the results were incredible. Moving on to that shade, I am applying that into my crease to intensify that crease color and to create more dimension. Once again, blend. That's the only way you're going to get an amazing smoky eye. Starting to take that on the outer corner of my eyelids as well. Taking that darkest, it's a very deep purple shade. I'm going to apply that with a very small blending brush into my crease. Like you can see, this is going to be the final transition color before we cut that crease. So once I've put that into the crease, I'm going to start to bring it toward the outer corner of my eye. We can always build this up later, so don't worry about it being too intense at this point. And then finally just blending all the harsh edges out together. Using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm just going to apply that and start to cut that crease, carve out that crease very well. I have tried a lot of brushes for this, and I have concluded that angled brushes like these work the best to carve that crease out. So very slowly, first starting from the bottom and then going towards that crease when I have the least amount of product left, just so in case I make a mistake, I can always correct it. Once that's done, I'm taking that shade from the same palette and going to start to pat and apply it all over that concealer. So I did wait like a minute or two to wait for that concealer to set in because I didn't pack it up with any powder. I directly applied this eyeshadow on it. And once I was done applying it, I just then intensified the outer corner with that same dark color that we had in the crease. Using the Heavy Metals eyeliner, this is a glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay in the shade Grind. Like I had mentioned in my Sephora haul, this is a beautiful light pink eyeliner, but it has holographic pieces of reflex of blue, purple, greens, and it looks fantastic on top of any dark eyeshadow. Moving on, I'm using this eyeliner from Tarte. It is a felt tip eyeliner like you can see, and I'm going to create a winged liner using this. I'm sorry about my voice. I have such a bad cold right now, and I can literally hear that translate into my voice. So once I was done with that eyeliner, I moved on to my base. I'm using that Illuminator from NARS. It's a liquid illuminator, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my face, just because I want to have a very glowy, dewy look with this sort of heavy eyes. Moving on, for the first time using my Giorgio Armani foundation, made sure that I took very less on my brush, and I applied it all over my face like you can see, and I'm just blending it out with my YBP Makeup Perfector. This is my first high-end foundation, and I was so excited to buy it, and I really liked the finish of this foundation. It was super weightless, unlike the other full coverage foundations. So this coverage is not full, but it is buildable. But the feeling of this foundation was just amazing. Using my new Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer, I'm just applying that, as you can see, to cover my dark circles under my eyes, cleaning up that eyeliner with it as well, and applying it to hide the darkness around my mouth, and then blending everything out with my YBP Makeup Perfector sponge once again. It is an incredibly full coverage concealer. So I do find that this hollow of my eye has started to show a lot more, and I don't know why, but I did go ahead and kind of build the coverage on top of that. Using my Revlon Colorstay Aqua loose powder, I'm just going to set my under eyes and where I applied the concealer around my mouth. So as you can see, my base is super bright and super amazing. Setting the rest of my face with the MAC Studio powder. So what I wanted to say was that I'm loving the combination of the Armani foundation and the Huda concealer. Next, using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit, I'm just going to use that to bronze my face up and to contour, using a contour brush to apply that into the hollows of my cheek and just applying it all over the borders of my face. Using that blush, which is a matte pinky blush from the Amazonian Clay palette, just going to apply that all over my cheeks and topping it up with the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick highlighter in Rose. Very soft, very beautiful. Just going to highlight the higher points of my face using this shimmer brick. Taking my Urban Decay pencil in Perversion, just going to apply that about midway to my inner corner like you can see. So I then later on just filled in my entire eye with the Urban Decay pencil. This was just to kind of see how the look turned out. But then I figured that since I have done such a smoked out lower waterline, I might as well fill it out all the way to the inner corner. Using the Worth the Hype mascara from NYX, I'm just going to apply that on my top and bottom lashes. After which I popped on the PAC Cosmetics M75 lashes and I was good to go with the eye makeup. Next, using my Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle, which completed the look, but as you saw, I did end up applying a gloss on top of this. And we're done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was me like taking a break, taking a breather from all the makeup. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.